Well, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Kalonda Casey. I am 64 years old and I am so happy you are here. This channel is for the mature woman, 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond, and I am so happy to have this community. We are growing and you all are amazing and I love having you here. Now, what are we going to talk about today? We are talking about my hair today and how I got this cute curly look. So without further ado, let's hop in and let's get started with this video. What are we going to do today? Obviously, we are going to do my hair. I have two styling tools I have been using nonstop for about a month, and I want to share them with you because they are very affordable. The first one is the Wavy blow dryer. It's very similar to another high-end brand that I have used religiously for 2 years. And I really wanted to put it to the test because I didn't want to recommend it unless I thought it was good. First of all, I can blow dry my hair in about 4 minutes, which is phenomenal. Now, that doesn't mean I'm styling my hair, but I'm drying it. And second of all, it's less noisy, which I like. I never get a loud environment alert on my Apple Watch, and I get that every time I use the other product. It comes with an amazing diffuser. It comes with this funnel vent. I guess that's what that's called, or it's fabulous. I like it. So let's hop in and start doing my hair with the Wavy blow dryer, and let's see what you all think when I'm finished. All right. I love towels like this because they really absorb the moisture. I'll see if I can link this. It's by Aquis. Really like it. And then no tangles, which is great. And today I'm using the Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer, and I use a lot. It's very liquidy. It really does not go on like a mousse, and I just like it a lot. I am going to start the video with the blow dryer on so that you can hear the noise level. So this has 3 settings on it. That's low, then medium, then high. Then it has 3 different temperatures. So it has the medium temperature, then it has the hot temperature, and then it has the cooling temperature. Very easy to use and feels great and not very heavy. Now what I'm going to do is to put the diffuser on in the back only. I'm going to use my round brush to go into the crown. As you can see, my hair is about 80% dried here, and I'm just taking the round brush and going back away from my face, and I'm trying to lift that part because that's where I have a lot of thinning. I keep the heat on low and the cool shot going back and forth so it helps with the frizziness. I really like for my hair to look kind of messy because it looks fuller. Ooh, gave it some volume for sure. Okay, now I'm gonna style the ends. Then I'm gonna let the curling styler do the rest. Basically, all I'm doing is curling under the ends, just trying to smooth out my hair because I don't like for it to look so frizzy. And I think you all understand that I have coarse hair, and I have a lot of hair, but it has gotten thinner over the years, and it can look sparse if I do not go with a fuller style like I am doing here. Okay, it is dry. It's not styled as much as I normally would if I were just blow drying my hair, but I really like it. I could leave it here, but the back of my hair is just not curly enough. Even though I use the diffuser, I do like using that there because it gives me volume. It doesn't make it too flat, straight, those sort of things. Let me keep going. So now let's talk about the Wavy Talk 360 degree airflow styler. You probably have seen a more expensive tool than this. It's been advertised for years and years, but this one is so affordable and it does an amazing job. And you can set it from 280 degrees to 430. So I'm going to plug it in so that you can hear the noise level. Mine will be set to 320 degrees. It never gets hot on the outside of the tool, which is so wonderful. How many times have you left burn marks on your neck, your chin, and your forehead? I probably have done it at least 10 times. Start in the back first. You can take larger pieces or smaller pieces. It works on short hair and long hair. And look, I'm touching it. It's not hot. When I'm using the Wavy Styler tool, I take the tool and I take the curls away from my face. That is what I like to do. You can do it however you like. You can take the tool forward and you can take it backwards. In the back of my hair, I just curl it under, and because that just seems to work best for my curls back there and for the volume, because I'm looking for volume here, ladies, because I've talked about how the back of my hair has thinned over the years, and especially up into the crown. And I just take it, and what falls out, I go back in and I pick up at a later time. And I just try and keep the curls going. It doesn't take very long to do this style. It is so easy to use, and I really like the way my hair turns out when I use this Wavy Styler. For me, I find it easier to section my hair off, and I always start on the underneath before I start on the top part. And I really like that because of the volume it creates and the soft curls. Now we are getting into my bang, and this is where I like to have a lot of fun. Sometimes I wear my bang very curly, and sometimes I try and make it straighter. Today, let's see how this turns out. But again, I'm taking the curl away from my face. I bring the styler as forward as I can get because that part of the hair is quite short. And I always use a brush to smooth out the hair before I put it into the styler. I just think it looks a lot better. And then the front part of my bang, I take it and I am very quick to pull this out, and I want it as flat as I can up towards the crown. I just turned off the styler. Now I'm putting the Moroccan oil treatment, which is purple, if you can see it, because I have silver hair. And all I do is just take it and start pulling the curls. I just run my fingers through it. Sometimes I'll have to go back in and touch up sections. And every time I do it, it looks different. Every single time I do it, it looks different. But I don't mind that. So see right here, that's a little bit too straight. So I will go in and I will touch that up. And I have way too much treatment on my hand, but I wanted to be able to show you the color. Just rub it. It smells so good. And then I'll turn this back on. It should be good. That's better. Okay, it looks so much better. It's hard to style. Talk into the camera, look into the right spot, and get everything perfect the way you want it. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this Play Dirty spray, and which it's kind of a dry hair wax, and I'm just lifting my sections for the va-va voom, because I like my hair. You know, I live in Texas. Big Texas hair. And then I'll get a mirror and check the back. Now the back of my hair is always a little straighter, and that's just that piece of hair. Sometimes it can curl, sometimes it won't. But I think it turned out really, really pretty. What do you all think? I can't say enough about this. Look, it's been on all this time. Now, of course, if you opened it and put your finger in the plaits, you wouldn't want to do that. But I really like how gentle this is on my silver hair. And these are just some of the ways that I like to style my hair. Now that I have shown you the back, I will go in with my Kenra 25. I take this with me everywhere. I take it traveling. I use it every single day and probably have for 15 or 20 years. It's so good. I like it. I mean, it holds well. Between the Sexy Hair Play Dirty Spray and the Kenra and the Moroccan Oil Purple, and this works for people that have blonde hair as well. Highlighted hair, it's perfect for it. And of course, everything will be linked in the description to include what I have on my face makeup-wise. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and then leave a comment and let me know that you are new here. Like this video, everybody, and leave a comment. It would mean the world to me. You all are so interactive on this YouTube channel. I love it. And with that being said, I'm going to sign off, and I will see you the next time. Bye.